It was good to this up boy for ten pick. I'm sure it.
Yeah, they moved in some point in the country, but it's already know the face. Thank you.
Ya bachaza khona manje labantwana.
Hey banna. Hey banna.
Oh, ngichaza
Udani. So manje khona manje like what is the word of the day Phil?
What if the day bafethu?
Sure.
Push and then I'm going to push up. No, abantu bangakhuluma bathini ngithola.
Sure.
Always stay in your lane, always be humble to the people. Yeah, always do what you love.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. People don't tell you anything, my brother.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So, my next trip check on money. Uthenge and how much pay? I trip check.
Ungathini ithi intwana yami bafile intwana. Tekinyana leli bafethu. Ezingalicena bafethu. Sakhumbula ngilibhayiva. Zwakala ngayintwana. Hayi lighting, my lighting izangi. Ngisakhumbula ngilibhayiva short nyana engisikhathele yona ngithola. Jini livers ngikhathile ngikhumbula nokuthi mali. Skippa nyana bafethu. Yeah. Ngikhona ukukhuluma ama price but if nazi nizokhuluma nizokhomenta tani video.
Angicela khona manje. Uma isigqoko phele.
Isigqoko?
Sure.
Isigqoko samagogo lesi nisibonile la kitchen.
Sure. Phele. Yawa ngesikhathi thank Eyosikhuthi isizopho yinkothana bheka manje uthi Emily bani Emily mine Emily mabakufuna bangakuthola lapha ya like TikTok va IG yeah as who fed
yo angazi vele ubhale ukuthi
unknown Emily
yeah.
Oh, lies, and everywhere is lies.
Yeah. So mine Emily ne like ngiyakubona lapho ugcoke kahle nesiswami like ulihatile ne today lidi edges like liyawuthanda manje mina into ewona ngicelayo ne drip check ne besha man ne maqonke ukuthi uthenge pen uthenge ngemalini thatha be honest bottom to top because in life
uyamtilela wena okay
bottom
bottom to top angithisho kanjani hayi lecathulo doesn't miss the price sithole ngo-200 bese le history semiss the price awuyayibona iyangibamba fele is 230 bese kube iskipper vele account is 150 bese kube idiza semiss the price yini New York what
angicela
it's 300 hayi was 5 rand
your edges style gel
okay
yawa Eyosikhuthi isizopho kothana bheka manje
Ntsopho isibuda maloya. Tako.
so mine isibuda maloya like if they want to where can I get to that feel
Ku Instagram @sibudamaloya_. YouTube @sibudamaloya that's
yeah guys please go follow him and subscribe on his YouTube channel guys this one guy is my role model angicela guys this man made me to start YouTube guys angicela so mine what is the word of the day feel
What if they didn't? If you ever go or if you ever dream, chase your goal, chase your dream, don't give up, don't give a damn what about
Sure.
Because at the end of the day, like usually and sabeni mawufuza ufiwa. So kuthi bani uthini?
Sure. Guys, don't give a damn guys. So my trip check video man, uthenge and how much feel?
Feel into amasikale bafile.
Phansi
Sikale phansi. Feel into ngaphansi ngishaye iphuma swidi intwana yami ngilanda Eastland feel. 1.5 feel. Then ikhago ayikhago ngilanda eMr Price. Tanga ismajita umthunzi la majita. Ntanga ngicula nthini umthunzi ta ngabona manje.
Sure.
Okay yeah. Ikhago ngilanda eMr Price.
Sure.
Iprice like iprice ngikhumbula feel so. Neskipa Mr Price. Owashi ngilandela iJozi feel. So ngilanda nga 150 or 200 amazaza ngwalandena la iJozi 200 amazaza ipini ekhothi pharmacist ngisilande nga 2 clipper uring ngiyathola then iring file magayile file ngithola so yeah man
Amacici feel man.
amacici la emakulini 5 rand ntwana ngithola yazi ntwana ngiyangithola into yakho Danko mukho yapa
Up. Yabonga feel eyosikhuthi isizopho yinkothana bheka manje uthi
young boy eyes yami
sure so ama grills lawo
Sisekake.
Boy, I'm a Maxis boy is from back to what you call it, Gene. She in James and Banban Customs.
Angicela khona man grills lawa ne.
Yeah.
I'm here with
Qhatile nje.
my friend, if they want to the TikTok, Insta yabo, like bangathola vafeni.
Young boy eyes
Sure.
_ boy. Wonke ama social media
Yeah,
platforms.
I feel that guys, please go follow him.
Ish mina nginawo ama socials.
Oh now. So man, like what is the word of the day for them? Sure.
Aswenke.
Ukuswanka mina ngiyagcwala phona ngimake.
Aswenka angicela uswenkile khona. Manje wena.
Angiyazama.
Ngicela.
Boy, ungavumela umuntu agibele ekhanda.
Yeah, guys. Ungavumela umuntu agibele ekhanda. So manje khona man like trip check fela yabo. Never and how much qala for wena khona.
Lana priceless lana. Priceless. Ngingaza priceless. Skipper priceless. Into priceless, yeah.
Boy, HSM Customs rates 4.6, ama isusu phela 1.5, ingaza angikhumbula yabo, skipper 4 feels.
Ngicela isigqoko fela usitshela ngaso.
Boy, isdonta 2.5 ntayisana.
Have na ngiyabonga ewasikhutshu bisizwa boy gothena mpeka mshe
Bandros umncane.
Bandros.
Yeah.
I'm here with
Skeleton RSA boy.
Skeleton RSA. So my name is man. So what is the word of the day for?
Ayore today gijimisa imali ayobuchira bazogijimisa masonima.
Danko. My wena yakithini for you.
Ngokuzwakala.
Ngokuzwakala. So my name is man trip check for. Let's check ukuthi ngithenga and imali for. Qala wena band yeah bandros angicela.
Tanga. Eish. Ezikutshela.
Lay up for the 2000.
Ezikutshela.
Sure.
Angiteni zonke yabo. Ngisakhumbula zonke mara. Skipper boma 180. Yabo. Ngaza Take 1.4. I very stock of my that 3 yeah 3 feet. I said that 1.4.
Yeah.
0.4.
Mina boy, ibhethi kuphela ekhanda nje 2 ngangithiwa 2 block
Like
ngangithiwa
2K.
2 block.
Oh, block.
200 ndo.
Hey banna.
La 250 obvious ithin 700 but 7 ngitho. Yeah.
Abonga feli makhona. Ewasikhutshu bisizwa boy gothena mpeka mshe uthi. Babalo.
Yeah.
So many Babalo if they want to where can they get to that TikTok Insta fela
Obvious bangangithola ekhaya mina.
ekhaya
Yeah. Ngadlala bangithola ku IG Lubabalo Lubabs.
afela ngicela Babalo. So mine we'll go back to ex or go spend on in jail fela khona man.
1 year in jail.
Why fela? Yeah, mine khona man like a trip check fela khona man because ngicela nge-trip ngikhatho khona man strip cap yabo afela ngicela khona man like i-trip check uthi uthengeva and how much fela.
Okay. Umkhatho.
Sure,
Okay,
umkhatho.
sicalele
Phansi
phansi
nje.
so.
Sure.
Amaphaca
Sure.
is 6 clip, is 4 clip.
40.
Amakausi vele.
Sure.
maybe
Up.
Amakausi vele 150.
Sure.
Then umkhatho 700.
Oh, afela umkhatho wakho.
Ijezi is 300.
Sure.
Then is 150.
Manje mina angikuyela ama-earrings fela.
Ama 925.
Yeah.
Ngathola nge 150.
Ngaphi?
Ihlala phone.
Afela ngicela ngesikhathi sakho ne. Yeah, ngiyabonga. Ewasikhutshu boy gothena mpeka mshe uthi.
Ngishela lo mfana wathi.
Shula lona mfana wathuli angicela khona man afela ngilaka ngibani khona man.
Banze for the babies.
Banze for the babies. Ngifela ngibani
Hotman sleeve.
man sidla ngicela khona man. So mine khona man. Fraza ningane i-word of the day fela kuphela.
Mfana ungabaniki ichance siwenga njaya.
Swela ngicela nawe uswenkile khona. Angicela manje wena.
Mfana ngithi mfana vuka ubalande mfana phezulu kwakho.
aphezulu phezulu maye thini yakho phela
lo impumelelo nje
phela ngicela makhotman so manje makhotman like ngisulile yabo ngifresh makhotman yabo so my drip check phela ke makhotman
afele ngashaya i-drip check
yeah ngicela phela price ukuthi uthenge vafele phansi phela
okay la events nje yami ngisola 800 njalo ichini nje le raw ngisola
sure ro
yeah ngisola 9 njalo ngisola na 6 njalo igate
yeah what vela wena
Sentin City
yeah sure
ngisola
sure
angalibamba nga point 2 sure hayi anda
yeah anda sure
15 tanga ayisicoko njalo local brand angithola
sure
pusha njalo 120
amaciko phela
ntanga amacici tanga okay ake sithini 10 rand inzaba
mayo na khotman trip check phela
siqale ephathini kulile ngaphansi 25
sure khotman
studio 88
sure ngicela
skipper nothisi 4
sicoko phela
sicokanye sibhayivele yabo
amalini
kahle lesi ngikayendi njalo
sure ngicela mayo na khotman trip check phela
siqale phansi
sure khona
shoot na iphathi 2.2
2.2
June 7 feet
sure
2 clear
sure sure Singiphe stitcher ngifike ngicela khotman isitoko phela namastoko
ngithole cotton 50 rand namastoko 5 rand naleli
afele ngicela makhotman yaba
sithi ngama ex-boys izami
yeah va phela va
Yeah,
TikTok ngangithola va izami
yeah shima ngasithola
Facebook Instagram
yeah
TikTok
ngasithola the Brazilians izami the Brazilians
ngicela manje phela ngicela yaba ngifesahleni ngicela my ex-boys afele yaba ngifesahleni ngakhotman so boy go to Nampeka I'm here with
feel Melrose boy
man Melrose afele Melrose the cheese that we eat once a year
Thank you, Baba.
ngicela my khotman ne phela like what is the word of the day for the khotman sure
anginayo
awunayo khotman afike ngicela khotman so mine khotman like if they want to where can I get to that like TikTok Facebook va phela
Instagram
yeah phela
J_14
afela ngicela
TikTok same vele
okay guys please go follow Melrose the cheese that we eat once a year guys asinoma ubani so mine khotman like it drip check phela khotman ukuthi uthenge va end imali phela nayi mic ibambe phela khotman
Sala phansi okay fede le iphuma angaze izayiphuma bani but I got it for 1.2
sure
14 yeah 1.2 14 then angazi ke tricks le bayibiza ngani but then yeah I got it from Mr Price i2 piece
sure
buki 60
sure
yeah then ijezi ngikawe time yabona now ngikawe time fede cap I got it from Shein
sure
it was 55 rands
so
Turek
yeah
I bought it for 30 bucks
where
in the shop yeah yona le
yeah so you are earrings khotman
earrings are 500 domkhozi njalo 500 domkhozi
yabo ngesikhathi sakho ngicela
Getting bigger.
This boy go to Nampeka I'm here with
mteketisi
so my name Mteketisi like if they want to work and get to that on my TikTok Insta
Facebook nonestable
guys please go follow Table Tabs and Khumbuka angicela khotman so my khotman feel what is the word of the day yeah afela so mine trip check khotman like uthenga va end how much fee phansi fee price starting
speed fair
sure
ngithenga 2.7
2.7
short time makha
sure how much
230
sure
akama
sure
130 fair
manje kuma like ihaircut yakho fee ithole ngathi le
le 50
manje kuma like amacici fee khotman
25
boy go to Nampeka I'm here with
Steezy for the what? Steezy for the money.
Man,
Wait,
yes,
wait, wait, wait.
baby.
Let's do this. Steezy for the what?
Easy for the money.
What's up, guys? Hey, you gotta keep it private.
50 get goed man.
50. After the beat.
Ah, wel goed man.
Let them get likes.
Ah, veel goed man.
Yeah.
So man, goed man, like what is the word of the day? Veel goed man.
Nah, the word of the day, dog.
Sure.
Keep taking care of yourself. Smell nice, dress clean.
Yeah,
I ain't got
guys.
much to say.
Guys, look at the trip, guys.
I'm not even like that today.
Yeah,
bro. I'm
but
still
guys,
chilling. I appreciate it, dog.
Guys,
Appreciate it.
this man made me to start YouTube.
Shut
Guys,
up, bro.
one of the people made me to start YouTube.
Shut up. I'm also coming back on YouTube.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
Please come, bro. We
Yeah,
miss
nah.
you. So man, it's a trip check, man.
Trip check.
Yeah. Check
I don't know.
And how much?
Should we start it from here or what? Let's start it from the bottom because that's where I came from. Young Tala. Shout out to Nike Sharks. I got it at GT, Young Tala. It's like 3.5. Young Tala. I got these pens for 3. It was like 110. I won't lie, me, I keep my shit real. 110, Young Tala. I got this t-shirt for like 350 at our factory. Chain dog. I always buy my shit from Josie, nigga. I don't play like that, Young Tala. It was like 50 bucks. I also got my shades from Timu. People close. People close. Young Tala. Yeah, that was like 30 bucks too. And then my cap, I also bought it from Josie. I'm a Josie boy, you feel me? I also bought it from like 25 rand with the stock price. And then shout out to my shit. Sponsor my shit, guys. I sell these. Whenever you need some, just go to my Instagram account. Type Steezy for the money. We're gonna talk about the prices or text my boy.
Okay.
And then, yeah. Shout out, boys. Push it, fam. Shout out to the YVL niggas.
I ask you to put this up, boy. Go, I'm back. I'm here with.
Company Shaike, copy a saying the killer of the hate. If you give me beef, I'll probably give you a steak. You can call me Mr. No. Hey,
I'm calling. Come on, like, what is the word of the day, man?
What if they take to you?
Do you?
PU, make money. Make money, not friends.
Guys, man, yeah. So, trip check for the hot money. How much was it? Kavela hot money.
Tana intengi pa ili kavela khe. Lay friend, bankayo. Pretty flock on your promoter vela. The slime still pretty flock.
I'm going to hot man.
Nali shandis le. Yeah, I friend bankayo. Besi cap. He kept the 550 no.
Sure. I feel I'm going to man. I'm going to hot man. I'm going to. I ask you to put this up, boy. Go to Napeg, I'm sure.
Yo, Pegit Maharaj. And shout out to Tana, Mia Punch, Mia Pegin, give me paid and Pegin, Maraya.
Yeah, so my home, like, what is the word of the day feeling, Holman?
Push, yeah. I want to know, do push and go.
It's so my home trip check for the and how much for the home because trip young girl.
Uncle, le ngithole mabase tete ku release afedi ni release le Palladium. Beku 2.5. Yeah, Palladium shop. So tete ku I'm sure I keep angazi mara new collection. And then la matota I factory matota bo. Factory lena 600. Ay cotton on 800 cotton on. And then it's keep a very factory. Yeah, for something I talk about that. Shout out to local brand, make royalty. Corner rice luma, corner come, corner kindo. I think it's a shout out to the boys corner, my God. To keep a face on. Yeah, I don't finish up. So call you subscribe, and
Attack of man. Ask you to eat your boy goes in a peck and show it.
Hey yo, it's a boy. Shasha the things I wanna do to you. Try shit. And you pick it another video.
So my command feel like what's the word of the day?
Word of the day. Word of the day. Pega indaba zakho uye phambili.
Pega indaba zakho uye phambili. So my command like a trip check.
Trip check. The fossils. Yeah, limited editions. 2.5. And the cargos. Relations 900. the wetbed t-shirt, 500.
Sure, man.
The side bag,
Sure, man.
I took it for my girlfriend.
Sure, man.
And I took this for my little brother. And I bought this in Kenya. Type shit. Kaya lama pa eh.
Atango khod man lam.